Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to generate AI image using Google Video. Let's get started. Firstly, log in your Google Video account and go to the Insert menu, generate an image, or go to the right side, click the generate and insert the prompt. You can change size, square, wide and tall. You can add style and click create. Now you can insert image from here. Now you can edit this image. Just click the edit and click the reset, generate an image, choose an image. Change the color. Now insert this image again, just click on the image and replace or insert. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.